Alright, basically we have this shape. It has a thickness 0.125, which is a quarter of an inch. Eighth of an inch, sorry. So what we're going to do is create in case it's a surface and you can't make the thickness, what we're going to do, so here's an example, it's just a surface. We need to make a mold. You can still do that. We're going to create a box. Remember, it has to be a little bit smaller than the actual physical model, even though you see that I'm doing exactly the same size, but I'm going to scale it down using the scale command. Select the object, go about 98%. So 2% less. You can see the surface is extended over the box in all ways except this side. So I'm just going to move it back a little bit just to make sure. Make sure that everything's been crossed off. And actually I might move that surface down now. So now I can check. Looks like the back didn't have enough. You can either extend it out, stretch it out, like so. Gotta play around with that. There we go. Come on. I'm trying to get to the corner. This is just not me. There we go. I get it from the other side. So I stretched it out and I have this object. And what we're going to do is use the slice command. To do that, you go to Modify, 3D Operations, Slice. You select your object you're slicing, which is the box. And then you type in S for surface, where you select surface down here. And you select your surface. And it's going to ask you, keep both? Yeah, I'll keep both. So now you can see that I created a mold. I have the surface, I have the box, the bottom box, and the top box, and the surface, of course. So there's my mold. The other option is to create holes in the fixture, into the sink. To do this, you just basically draw circles. Now, of course, your circles would be in specified dimensions and sizing. I'm just doing it on a freehand. I have 3 circles in the back, 1 circle in the middle. I'm going to do the extrude command. EXT, select all the items, extrude them out. Now, one thing to notice is these are coming down and it looks like they're not penetrating through the object. So make sure they are before you subtract. Otherwise, it won't work. So I have all these objects, and I go to subtract command, select the object to subtract from, then I click enter, select the objects to subtract, and I create my holes. I'll have my sink with my 3 fixture holes and my outlet hole. You can see another one in here, and you could add a rectangle supports all around to give it so you don't see the underneath the sink if you don't want to, or you can give it additional supports for strength. That concludes the sink, and hopefully you can create your own for your cabinet that you designed before.